Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wangeshi. Today we're going to be doing another one brand tutorial, and this time we're going to be doing guess. Okay, you already saw it in the title. COLOURPOP. I really love COLOURPOP as a brand. I shop there all the time for years now, and I really love the fact that they deliver to Kenya, so I'm not missing out on anything. I used all COLOURPOP products except for my brushes. Skipped on the primer. I skipped on the setting spray because I'm actually quite oily, so I don't need setting spray. My oils really kick in and then they take away the powdery look. With primer, I feel like you can get away with a full face without using primer, but that's a whole video for another day. For today, I just wanted to use what I had with me, and I realized I had a lot of COLOURPOP stuff, so I decided to just, do a video using all COLOURPOP products. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like this look. This is like my go-to kind of glam. I would rock this anytime, anywhere. If you want to see anything else, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to do it. I always read everything you guys write, and I'm so thankful for all of you who support me. And yeah, let's continue to grow. I will see you in my next video. So COLOURPOP just launched its new primer and setting spray, but I didn't get that in time for this video, so I'm gonna skip that part. My thoughts on primers and setting sprays. I feel like you can do without them, but that's a story for another video, so I'm gonna skip that part and get right into my eyes. So I'm gonna use the Precision Brow Pencil, and this is how it looks. It's got the spoolie side and the pencil side. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. So now we're going to use my favorite concealer in like the entire world, and this is the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer in the shade 36. I'm obsessed with this concealer. Like, I don't know, there's no other concealer that's better than this one in the market. Like, it's crazy. So I'm going to use that to cover up my brows and make them look snatched. Now for the top of the brows, you can use a concealer that's the same shade as your skin tone, but I'm going to use the 36 concealer because I'm running out of the 42 concealer, which is my skin tone, and I don't really mind how that looks because it will still blend into my foundation. But if you want like a more natural, more like less sculpted look at the top, you can use a darker concealer, or you could skip it. I'm going to take the same concealer and put that on my eyelids just to prime them and take away the darkness. And I know this step can scare a lot of people, but trust me, putting on a concealer on your eyelid that's a little bit lighter than your skin tone really makes the eyeshadows pop. You can also use a white base, but I prefer to use like a lighter concealer just so that there's less products to use. Once you're happy with that, you can get into your eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Shayla x COLOURPOP eyeshadow palette, and this palette is a little bit dirty. I use it a lot. It's really pretty. It's got like every single color that you could think of, so I'm just going to do like a really simple eye. So I'll take this Culture shade right here, Culture, and just put that as a transition shade on my crease. Now I'm going to take the same brush and take Thick right at the bottom over here, and it's a really nice orange. Now I'm going to take this goldy shade and it's called TF. I'm just gonna use my finger and put that on my lid. Ooh. There's like a little space between the orange color and my lash line, so I'm gonna use the shade Revenge. It's on the bottom left. I'll use the shade Stratton Slay and use that between the color that I just put and the first one, and that's really pretty. So my eyes are pretty much done for now. Now we're gonna go into the face, and like I said earlier on, I do not have the ColourPop primer nor the setting spray, so I'm going to be skipping that step and I'm going to be going straight to foundation. I'm using their new ColourPop No Filter foundation, and I was really excited when I got this product. I am in the shade Dark 165. I really like this foundation. I've used it before. I was really impressed by this foundation, so I'm going to use it with my old and dusty Yves Rocher makeup sponge, and it's like torn, but I really like it, and it's always sold out when I go to look for them, so I'm gonna hold on to this one until I find a new one. Like, it's bomb. Yeah, I don't have ColourPop beauty tools, but I'm gonna use my own. Put it onto the back of my hand. I hit the pump of this foundation. Like, the pump is really annoying. It pumps out and then you have to pull it back up, and then it pumps out and then you have to pull it back up, and then it's just long. So I'm doing about 4, and then it gets your hands messy. Jeez, this is like my perfect match. So I was really excited with their shade range. Doing well. So I don't put a lot of foundation underneath my eyes because I'm going to use concealer. And I'm going to bring it down to my neck. And I don't have any more product. I'm just blending more. I just like to do that. I feel like it covered pretty well. Now we're going to go into concealer, under eye concealer, and I'm using the No Filter concealer again. And we're just going to put that on the areas of my face that I normally highlight. After this dries and I blend it out, I'm going to use Reach 75 and I'm going to contour my face just to give me a little bit more dimension. Now to set that, I'm going to use both ColourPop No Filter setting powders in the shade Banana for underneath my eyes and the shade Medium Deep for the rest of my face. Very soft. So I'm bringing it in towards my nose a little bit and baking that just so that it can create a really chiseled look. My detailed highlight and contour video. And then I'll take like a big fluffy brush and just take the powder all over my face as I brush off the excess powder. Yeah. Now we're gonna go into some bronzer, and this is the Kaepop Bronze Me. This was a ColourPop and Karuchi collab. I got this a long time ago. So this is the Super Shock. Wow, Kikuyu in me. Super Shock Cheek Matte Bronzer. No, it's not really matte, but they call it matte. It's got some shimmer in it. So I'm going to use my fingers to put this on my cheeks, and I'm going to use 2 fingers. I can't stop putting it on, you guys. I just can't. The more I put, the better it looks. Very pretty. Now with the same fingers, I'm going to use the Kaepop Super Shock Cheek as well, and this is blushed. It's like a pink blush. I'm just placing it on top of that bronzer that we just applied. I like it like that, but if you feel like you want it a bit more dramatic, that's completely up to you. Now we're going to use one of my favorite products from COLOURPOP, and this is the Super Shock Cheek again. This one is Paralyzed. It's a highlighter and it's called Wisp. So I'll just use like a big fluffy brush from Morphe, not from COLOURPOP. Just put a little bit on. So for lips, what do we do? I'm going to use the COLOURPOP times Shayla collab as well again, and I'm going to use the, sorry, I'm just covering my products because honestly if you don't cover them, COLOURPOP products tend to dry out, so I'm just making sure I cover my little products. So I'm going to use my COLOURPOP times Shayla lippies, and I'm also going to use the gloss. This is the shade Come On Sis. I'm going to put that all over my lips. I'm going to line my lips with the BFF3 COLOURPOP pencil. This is a product that you've probably seen before on my channel. I love this product. Then I'm going to take Quickie and put that in the center. Some gloss on top. And we're done. That's pretty much it. So guys, it's the finished look. I really like how it came out. And yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Share this video with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.